Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your Changelly app login issue. So if you guys also having issue with your Changelly application not being logged in, the first thing that you might want to check is your internet connection. But if it is okay, it might be the server issue. So sometimes there might be server issue within the application, so it's not your problem. So you can check the application after an hour or so. And if you are sure that it's not a server issue, then you might want to simply check your ID and password. So if you simply open the application just like this and then tap on the sign up or login option right here, tap on login. From here you can log into your account. Make sure that your email address that you're putting or your password is correct. So in case if you have forgotten your password, you can also tap on forgot your password just like this, and you'll have to enter your email address, then reset your password. You'll be getting a email in your inbox, and like that you'll be able to reset your password and fix your issues like that. But if it's still not the issue, then you might just want to check for an update. So you can simply open your app store, and on your app store you can tap on the search option right here, then tap on the search bar right here, and then you can search for Changelly. So after searching for Changelly, here you can see this is the application. Here you can see there is only the option of open because there are no current update requirement. If there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the option of update. All you have to do is tap on it, and within few minutes your app will successfully be updated. But even after updating, if it's still not working, then you might just want to offload your application, for which you'll have to get to the settings of your phone. And from your settings, you'll have to tap on general. Here, tap on iPhone storage. And from here, you can search for the Changelly app. Here you can see all of the applications on your phone. Tap on show all. And from here, search for Changelly. Here you can see Changelly application. Tap on it and then tap on offload app. Then tap on offload app one more time, and here you can see now our app has successfully been offloaded. So tap on reinstall app, and within few minutes your application will successfully be reinstalled on your phone. And like that you can check whether you are having a login problem one more time or not. Here you can see we have completed the process. Now you can go back and simply open the application and check, and if it's still not working, then the last thing that you might want to do is simply try to restart your device. That might fix any kind of glitch or issues. And that is it. Hopefully these steps work for you guys. If it did, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.